Anyway, so back to today's stream. I'm excited about showing you guys this website. I'm so excited that I'm scared. But I know that the fear is just excitement. So, okay. Ooh, I should put in like a drum roll sound effect. Hold on. Let me get that. Hold on. Because I can use this for like magic. Hold on. Let me get a little drum roll, please. Let me get a little drum roll. You never know how long you need it for, you know? Gotta sample it. So how are you guys? Like, I never asked. How's your day going? Like, I hope it's well. Hope it's good. Hope it's well. Hope you be making some world peace possible in your life, you know? Hope you really did get I had to, guys, okay? I had to. MWP, I had to. You don't even understand. Okay, like, what if I was, like, doing, like, a freaking unboxing video and the wrapping was really hard to get off? Like, I would have needed that drum roll to be long as hell. Like, give me a sec. Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna drop this in here. There it is. Okay, and now I go to my sounds. Hold on, because I'm trying to make this cinematic. Do you want it to be cinematic or no? No. Let me know. Do you want it to be cinematic or no? Thank you. Okay. You know what I just realized? I have slow mode on. How do I take that off? Oh, man. I don't know how to take it off. Whoa! Take it off! Yeah! Oh, here we go. There we are. Okay, slow mode is off. Okay, sorry about that. Either way. Okay,